Hi, my name is Bob. I have two secrets that will both surprise and disappoint you, one of which I will share with you in a few minutes. But first, I have been mitigating radon for years. I install lots of radon systems in South Florida. Real estate sales agents love me because I am fast, and I am cheap. And my systems always bring radon very low, and pass the 2-day radon test, so they can get the buyers to close the deal quickly. But I have two secrets. My systems always pass the 2-day test. It is really easy. It took me a while, but I have perfected my installations. Even high radon levels come down every time if I blow a lot of outdoor air into the home. Very simple. Real estate agents love it when my systems pass the 2-day test and show radon levels well below 2. Every time. Most of them think I am the best radon mitigator in South Florida. But I have two secrets. But in a few moments, I will share the first secret with you. You will be surprised. And you will be disappointed. First, all I have to do is install a fan of at least 75 cubic feet per minute of outdoor air, and have it blow into the air conditioner closet. Sometimes I even install a 150 cubic foot per minute fan. It really doesn't matter what size fan I use. Because I have two secrets. Do you want to know what the secrets are? Yes, all that hot humid air can cause a high humidity mold problem. But mold is super easy to prevent. This is how I do it. This is secret number 1. I put a small polyester fluff air filter on the air intake. Within about 90 days, this bitty filter is completely clogged up with bugs and dirt. And no more hot, humid air can pass through it and into the air conditioner closet. Mold problem solved. Since almost nobody, and I mean nobody, ever retests for radon after that 2-day test, nobody finds out that high radon has returned. Why? High radon returns because the clogged and unserviced filter prevented more hot, humid air from coming in before everything got wet enough to grow mold. I never have to do warranty work because first, almost nobody ever cleans the stopped-up filter. And second, almost nobody ever retests after the 2-day test and finds out that radon has soon returned. And since no one ever complains that my systems have failed, the real estate sales professionals think that I am the best radon mitigator in South Florida. And I get more business than I can handle. But what about that little U-shaped meter with the blue water that I installed that is supposed to tell homeowners that the system is working fine? Doesn't it tell the homeowner that the radon system has failed? No, it doesn't. Instead, it tells the homeowner that the system is reducing radon perfectly. It lies to them, and I will tell you why it lies in my next video. This is my secret number 2. And I hope that the lawyers never catch on. But if they do, I will not be the only one who gets in big trouble. So far, the lawyers haven't caught on.